Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add color swatch in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you can see we already create a document. You want to add color swatch, go to the window menu and we can see here many options. Now I am select the color and select this swatch option. Then we can see we add the color swatch. Otherwise you can add this color swatch in shortcut key. Press F5 on your keyboard to enable and disable this color swatch. You can add color any object or shapes using this color swatch. Now I create a rectangle and select the move tool. Then add color using this swatch. Now we can see we added the color swatch very easily in InDesign. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.